guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have been MIA for quite a while again. I'm so sorry that my consistency was just like non-existent for the longest time. Had a lot going on in life, and I'll get more into that all in a different video, but for now I just want to say that I'm back, and I just want to say thank you to those of you who have stuck around on my channel even though my consistency has been all over the place. I promise I am trying. I'm working on it. My kids start school soon, hence the title of this video, but I'm hoping and praying that I can get on a good schedule with YouTube and just start making videos again for you guys. I love making videos. They bring me so much happiness. I love watching videos, and I really miss just putting a lot of effort into my channel. So I do just want you to know that I appreciate those of you who have stuck around, and I do have more content coming. I'm getting a handle on things in my YouTube world, and I'm just really excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Again, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2. My son is 7 and my daughter is 4, and life is just crazy. We have 2 dogs. We're busy, obviously. I've been a homeschool mom. My channel has cleaning content, cooking, organization. It had homeschool stuff, just motherhood in general. I just enjoy sharing my life with you guys on my little piece of the internet here. So again, if you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button wherever it is. I don't even know these days. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram. That kind of gives you a little behind the scenes look into my life, and just can be kind of a bit more personal. But yeah, let's get into today's video. So as you can see from the title, this is my back to school haul, back to school supplies haul. I'm gonna share all the things I got for my son and all the things I got for my daughter. So if you've watched my channel previously, then you know the last couple of years we were homeschooling. It was amazing. It was such a blessing, and we enjoyed it so much, and I really did love it. But seasons of life change, and right now my kids are just so excited to go back to in-person regular school. So throughout the summer they went to a summer school in our district here, and they had an absolute blast, and they really wanted to go back to school in person. And I'm the type of mom who is open and listens to what her children want, and then I use that for my own decision making. I don't base everything off of just what they want, but I do listen and try to hear them out, you know. So yeah, I was never set in stone that I'm gonna homeschool forever. I do enjoy it. Could things change in the future? Of course, nothing is known, right? For sure. But for now, we are super happy and excited to get back into in-person school. They're so excited to meet their teachers and hang out with their friends. I'm just really excited and feel really good about it. I'm also going to be substitute teaching in the district, so that's gonna be awesome. I'll still get to kind of hopefully see my kids, you know, like during the school day, stuff like that. So yeah, just a lot of changes, a lot of exciting stuff happening, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So first of all, let's just jump right into school supplies. So my son, Mason, is gonna be in 2nd grade. Can you guys believe it? I've had this channel since before I was even pregnant, before babies were even a thought on my mind. And it's just crazy to watch my videos or go back and look at them and just see how quickly time flies. I can't believe he's in 2nd grade, but he is, and he's really excited. So he picked out a new backpack. He has a Minecraft backpack. Super exciting. And I'm just gonna share what we got. So, of course, have to have the Ticonderoga Pencils. Those are really popular. Then we got a flexible blue ruler. I thought that was fun. I did also get him a wood one just in case, you know, that one works a little better. Then we got the ever so popular Crayola. We've got the colored pencils, the crayons, and the markers. Then this is really cool. I found these at Target. They're Poppet pencil cases. Like, how fun! How fun is that? I love it. I saw these, I think we had to order them online. I didn't see any in store, but he got this cool blue one. My kids love Poppets. I'm sure most of you know the hype with the Poppets, so this is really fun. And then inside of that, we've got, whoa, a couple pair of scissors. We found these cool Spider-Man ones. And then we also found soccer ones. My son loves soccer. Then we have some glue sticks and erasers. What else do we have going on here? Oh, we found these really fun erasers. They are little Spider-Man erasers. I don't know if you can see them. We've got a locker one, pizza box, juice box, and a skateboard. So those are fun. He's got those in there. Then we've got a couple notebooks. He only needed one, but we grabbed a few because obviously through the year you're gonna need more. So he got a soccer one, a Minecraft one, and this one says, I paused my video game to be here. Super cool. And then we got a Minecraft folder. We do still need to pick up one more folder. I bought that Minecraft set as like a pack from Walmart. And it only came with one folder, so we need to get one more folder. And then we did also get things like Kleenex, disinfectant wipes, you know, the usual things that the teachers ask for. And the only thing we still need to get are Expo markers. I need to get some of the skinny Expo markers and gym shoes. So that is what we need. And he does have an art shirt, but that just a blue t-shirt. It's in his bedroom. But yeah, so that is everything that Mason got for 2nd grade. Okay, now we will move on to Presley. This is her backpack, and she is going into 4K. Super excited. So let's see what she got. All right. So she got 4 jars of Play-Doh. So we just went with these fun colors of Play-Doh. Then she needed a pencil box. So she picked a pink glittery one. And then she also wanted a Poppet pencil case. So she got the pink, kind of coral and purple one, which is really fun. Then we got some paint, Expo markers. I'm actually gonna give Mason this pack, and then he needed 2, and then I'm gonna get her a pack of like the chunkier ones. I think that's the kind her teacher wants. We have glue sticks, colored pencils, markers. These, which I had never heard of, they're the Crayola Pipsqueak washable markers. They're just like smaller, I guess. Yeah, small size. So that's cool. Then she got some crayons and 2 bottles of glue. And then she needed 2 blue folders. We got those. And she needed a pink binder. Got that. Well, it didn't have to be pink, but she needed a binder, and we of course chose pink. Then these are kind of just for fun. She didn't need them, but we got a fun notebook and a pretty butterfly folder. And then Presley also got napkins, Ziploc baggies, the Kleenex, disinfectant wipes, baby wipes, all those extra things. And then she still needs gym shoes as well. So, all right, that is everything for the kids' back to school supplies haul video. I cannot believe they go back to school in 2 weeks. So I thought this was the perfect time to film this video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna film their back to school clothing haul, and that will be up on my channel after this video. So again, I hope you guys subscribe. I'm back. Hopefully gonna get on a good filming, posting schedule here shortly. Again, thank you to everyone that stuck with me on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, go ahead and let me know in the comments, are your kids going back to school in person or are you homeschooling this year? I would love to know. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.